This example shows how to use AEL to add designs to the Queue Manager queue. First of all, Queue Manager allows users to manage a list of test benches. It is an add-on that is disabled by default. So to use it, you need to go to ADS main window, select Tools, App Manager, and then select Queue Manager, and then enable it. So you have to restart ADS. After installing an add-on, you have to restart for it to take effect. Now to use this example that uses AEL to add designs to Queue Manager, download this ksqm wrk.7z ADS file. And then to open 7z ADS Workspace Archive, you open ADS main window File, an archive menu, and select this 7z.ads file, and select Open. Select a destination directory, select Finish, and the archive is open. There is a README file for this example. Let's see how to use it. You open this test bench, and in main window, library view, select expand AEL files. Select this kscopy cell, create queue.ael file. Right click and then select load. What it does is it copies this test 1 design to create 5 new test benches. Test underline RC1 test RC2 3 4 5. These 5 files came from the data directory of this example. So the AEL code looks for each of the S2P files in the data directory and then create a test bench for it and then add it to this queue manager. So they are ready to run. You can select this start simulation to run all of them in sequence. You can pause it, or you can stop, or you can run single simulation, or this one is stop the current simulation and skip to the next test bench. Let's run all of them. So all of them were to run successfully. the file is under the workspace directory, and it's called case copy cell create Q. So this is tested with ADS 2021. There are a couple queue manager functions that are not documented. So they may not be supported, and they are subject to change. So it may not continue to behave the same. But if you are using ADS 21 and you need to use AEL to create designs and then add them to Queue Manager, take a look at this example. Thank you.